Namo Namaha. Welcome to study Navamah Pathaha in Praveshaha. In 9th lesson, we are going to learn tumun suffix, which is meant for making new indeclinable, which is derived from the verb. As we have learnt twa in previous lesson, that is derived from verb pathati, pathitva. Here, this is tumun. You are supposed to use tum, na goes, tum is put in front of verb, patha, tum becomes pathitum. So this is the purpose. Balaha pathitum shalam gachati. So wherever you have purpose for your action, that purpose is stated in tumanta. Tum ending, that is called as tumanta. So balaha pathitum shalam gachati. Balaha khaditum phalam anayati. His purpose of bringing fruit is khaditum, to eat. Saha phalam khaditum ichhati. He wishes to eat phalam. So this is saha phalam khaditum ichhati. So wherever you have purpose, so you want to specify purpose of the action, you will have to use tumanta. So friends, you are supposed to be very careful when you make tumanta form, because you are supposed to go to basic root and you are supposed to make form. That's why nayati is not going to become nayatum, no way. You are going to go to basic root and it will become netum. So pay attention, we will practice for some examples. That is, pachati will become paktum. Balaha odanam paktum ichhati. Mata odanam paktum ichhati. Namati nantum. Gayati gatum. Pashyati, its basic root is drusha, so it becomes drashtum. Aham Taj Mahalam drashtum ichhami. Aham nagaram drashtum ichhami. So likhati lekhitum. Gachati gantum. Milati melitum. Here gachati basic root is gama, so gantum. Milati melitum. Pruchhati prashtum. Pibati patum. Tishtati sthatum, because basic root is tha. Yachhati datum, basic root is da. So be careful while using tumanta and practice. Now we learn Shashti Vibhakti, genitive case, in Praveshaha Navamah Pathaha, 9th lesson. So here Shashti Vibhakti, will understand where to use this Vibhakti. When there is some relation or belonging, you can use Shashti Vibhakti. It's genitive. So you can say Ramasya Patni Sita. Ramaha will decline as putting Sya in front, it will become Ramasya. Ramasya Patni Sita Balakasya Pustakam Asti. As we say, Mama Nama Gita Asti. So, Mama Patrakam Asti. Mama is genitive case. Just like that, Ramaha will become Ramasya, Ganeshaha, Ganeshasya, Lakshmanaha, Lakshmanasya. Mala, Malayaha. So, Akarantam, Strilingam, it is feminine, will become Malayaha. Sitayaha, Patihi, Ramaha. Malayaha, Pushpam, Uttamam Asti. Malayaha, Sthanam, Bhagavataha, Kanthe Asti. Vanam, Vanasya. Vanasya Nama, Abhayaranyam Asti. Vanam, Vanasya. Guruhu, गुरोः, मम गुरोः नाम अहं न उच्चारयामि. So गुरोः, his name, guru's name. So here Ramasya, its plural will become Ramanam, Balanam. Adya Balanam Shala Nasti. So school is of children. Balanam Shala Nasti. Adya Mahilanam Melanam Nasti. Atra Mahilanam Sammelanam Asti. So this Nam is, it denotes plural. Vanasya Vananam. Vananam Rakshanam Avashyakam. Bharate Vananam Rakshanam Avashyakam. Gurunam. Gurunam Adaram Karotu. So their respect. Pitrunam. Pita Pituhu. Mama Pituhu Karyalayah Dure Asti. Pitrunam Adya Melanam Asti. Not many fathers, means fathers will come together today. So fathers meeting will be today. Matuhu Matrunam. Matrunam Karyakramah Asti. Then Matihi, it's Ikaranta, Rasva Ikarantam, Strilingam. Matehe. Matehe Avashyakata Asti. We need buddhi. Here Nadyaha Nama Bhima Yamuna cha Asti. Athva Yamuna Asti. Nadyaha Nama Kim? Nadyaha Nama Yamuna Asti. Nadyaha Jalam Swachham Nasti. Nadyaha Nadinam. Uttara Bharate Nadinam Jalam Swachham Abhavat. Dakshina Bharate Nadinam Jalam Swachham Abhavat. So Nadinam Jalam. Jalam and Nadi both have good relation, belonging. So that's why Nadinam is Shashti. Dhenoho. Dhenoho Nama Kaveri Asti. So Dhenuhu will become Dhenoho. Dhenunam Goshthaha Samipe Asti. Goshthaha is a place where cow is kept. That is Dhenunam Goshthaha Samipe Asti. Madhu Madhunaha. Madhunaha Kupi Kutra Asti. Madhunam Kupyah Santi. So Madhunaha Kupi Kutra Asti. So here it's very easy to use Shashti Vibhakti when we have belonging or relationship amongst two things. Here we learn Shashti Vibhakti of pronouns. Pronouns are tat, saha, tasya, tesham. Tasya is tasya nama Ganeshaha asti. Eshaha devaha asti. Etasya nama Ganeshaha asti. As you know, Eshaha will go just like Saha. Saha tasya, Eshaha will become Etasya. So plural will be Tesham. Tesham Balakanam Adyashala asti. Kesham Balakanam Adyashala asti. Tesham Balakanam Adyashala asti. When you want to specify which children. So here Kaha, Kasya, Kesham. Kasya nama Duryodhanaha, Tasya nama Duryodhanaha. Kim, Kasya, Kesham. It goes same like masculine. So the example is given. Sa tasyaha tasam. Tasyaha mata gruhe nasti. So tasyaha is genitive case of sa. Tasyaha nama Sita asti. Tasam is Balikanam. Balikanam Tasam Karyakramah asti. Tasam Balikanam Atra Nrutyam asti. So Tasam Balikanam Atra Nrutyam asti. So Tasam will be used in genitive case with balikanam. का कस्याः कासां कस्याः माता अद्य न आगच्छति. कासां कक्षा अस्ति. कासां बालिकानाम् अत्र कक्षा अस्ति. So कासां will be specifically when you want to ask question in feminine. Aham is asmat sarvanama. It goes mama, asmakam. Mama naam Varsha. Asmakam भिन्न भिन्न नामानि सन्ति. अस्माकं इंग्लिश नामानि न सन्ति. अस्माकं संस्कृत नामानि सन्ति. So here asmakam is for asmat sarvanama aham. For yushmat sarvanama, yushmat pronoun, this is tvam. Tava. Tava naam kim? Tava pustakam kutra asti? So when you want to call someone by saying tvam, you can use tava. In genitive case, shashti vibhakti. Yushmakam. Yushmakam sarvesham adya कार्यक्रमः भविष्यति. युष्माकं स्वागतम. So युष्माकम is for युष्मत् सर्वनाम, genitive plural. Friends, we always say बालः फलं खादति. There is one another root, that is bhunkte. We don't use it always because it's bhunkte, bhunjate, bhunjate. It's difficult to use. So to practice that, we'll have to take efforts. So here, balaha modakam bhunkte. There is one way to use it very easily. That is, you are supposed to divide bhunkte into two, as it is bhojanam karoti. So here it becomes balaha bhojanam karoti. Balaha bhunkte bhojanam karoti. Then this verb means same as bhojanam karoti. Just for adhite, you can use adhyayanam karoti. So just learn to make adhite, from adhite, how to make adhyanam. Upadishati, upadesham. Nashayati, nashanam. So this very useful activity to divide the verb into two verbs. One noun and one verb, into two words. So this is bhojanam karoti, adhyanam karoti, upadesham karoti. So karoti is very comfortable verb to use these type of activities. Nashayati, nashanam karoti, vikrinite, vikrayanam karoti. Meanings are same, but there is slight difference in making sentence. That is, balaha bhunkte, balaha bhojanam karoti, but balaha modakasya bhojanam karoti. Here modakam is object, so we have given accusative case, second dvitiya vibhakti to it. It becomes balaha modakam bhunkte. But when we divide this verb into two words and then we have karoti verb, at the time bhojanam becomes object. Then previous object, what to do with that? So it becomes in shashti. Just now we have learned shashti case, shashti vibhakti, that is genitive case, which we can use here. That will become balaha modakasya bhojanam karoti. So you'll be so comfortable to state that balaha modakam bhunkte. Balaha grantham adhite. What will you do? Balaha granthasya adhyayanam karoti. Krishnaha satyasya upadesham karoti. So don't forget to make Shashti Vibhakti before you divide this verb into two words. Now we'll read some examples. Janaha sajjanan prashamsanti. Here janaha sajjananam, it is plural. Sajjananam prashamsam kurvanti. Parikshakaha gunam parikshate. Parikshakaha gunasya parikshanam karoti. Karyashilaha sadhanam upayunkte. Upayogam karoti. First divide the verb, then convert the object into genitive case. How? Karyashilaha sadhanam upayunkte. Karyashilaha sadhanasya upayogam karoti. Mata patrasya upayogam karoti. Mata patram upayunkte. So both the ways you can practice by these exercises. Adhyapakaha vyakaranam adhyapayati. Adhyapakaha vyakaranasya adhyapanam karoti. So adhyapayati will be divided into adhyapanam karoti. Nirdhanaha dhanam sanchinoti. Nirdhanaha dhanasya sanchayam karoti. Nirdhanaha sa veenam abhyasyati. Sa वीणायाः अभ्यासं करोति. नायकः जनान् प्रोत्साहयति. नायकः जनानां प्रोत्साहनं करोति. आपणिकः पुस्तकं विक्रीणीते. आपणिकः पुस्तकस्य विक्रयणं करोति. सभ्यः वादम् उपस्थापयति. सभ्यः वादस्य उपस्थापनं करोति. छात्रः नियमम् उल्लङ्घते. Doesn't follow. छात्रः नियमस्य उल्लङ्घनं करोति. दुष्टः सज्जनं वञ्चयते. दुष्टः सज्जनस्य वञ्चनां करोति. So these are the examples. You can practice both the ways. Make Balaha Grantham Adhite, and also from Balaha Grantham Adhite you make Balaha Granthasya Adhyanam Karoti. Friends, this is not true for only difficult verbs. You can divide all the verbs like this. For example, Gachati. It's very easy. Still you can say Balaha Shalam Gachati. Balaha Shalayaha Gamanam Karoti. So that Gachati or Pathati, Likhati, all the easy verbs are also to be divided, may be divided by two words, with Karoti. Friends, with Shashti Vibhakti there are some points to be remembered. Those are about questions. That is Kasya, Kasyaha, Kesham, Kasam. Previously we have done it, still we'll repeat it now. How? Kasya putraha adya agachati. Mitrasya putraha adya agachati. Adya kasya pariksha asti. Then the answer will be in genitive case, because when you want to inquire you will have to use kasya, kasyaha. So kasya pariksha asti, adya mama pariksha asti. Kasyaha nama Sita asti, tasyaha nama Sita asti. Kesham कार्यक्रमः भविष्यति. तेषां कार्यक्रमः भविष्यति. बालकानां कार्यक्रमः भविष्यति. कासां मेलनम् अस्ति. कासां महिलानां मेलनम् अस्ति, as we used. Then कासां मेलनम् अस्ति, महिलानां मेलनम् अस्ति. So by this way you are supposed to practice with genitive case. It will be comfortable for you. Next one is when you want to specify teacher's son or son of teacher. So guroho putraha asti. So at the place of you can use genitive case, or at the place of apostrophe s you can use genitive case. That is same stating relation or genitive belonging. There is one more point to be remembered about Shashti Vibhakti, that is genitive case. You are supposed to remember that among all the boys, one boy is my son. If you want to say this, you will have to say Balanam Ekaha Balaha Mama Putraha Asti. So there genitive plural is most important. Pandavanam Dharmarajaha Jyeshthaha Asti. Pushpanam Jatikusumam Sugandhi Asti. Pushpanam Patalapushpam Sundaram Asti. So the meaning is Pushpeshu Patalapushpam Sundaram Asti. So among all the flowers, rose is bigger one, or it is beautiful. So Pushpanam Patalapushpam Sundaram Asti. Bharatiyanam Jyeshthaha Rashtrapatihi. So this will go on. You practice with amongst them. This is very important meaning which is stated by Shashti Vibhakti.